I think I want to make something dark today, so let's just start with like this starter. Reminds me of the Quavo and Future song. Let's just add this piano in there. Bro, the piano is crazy. It just adds some extra dark vibes to the beat, and it really adds nice onto the starter melody. So I want to start the beat like this with the piano playing. Maybe here, go up with the piano. So render this out. Add some chorus to this. So start with the high piano. Bro, that's crazy. That's too fire, bro. Let's just cook up another beat. I want to flip another dark beat. Ooh, this could be like a Destroy Lonely type beat. Man, fuck that. I ain't making a dark beat. And right here it needs to go up. So let's just make this unique. And then 5 up. Shit. Yeah. That's that feeling, bro. I think we need to speed it up. Maybe speed it down. we're going to do now is right click and open an audio editor. We're going to 1500, resample, accept, and drag that in there just for some variation in the verse. She just said no. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. 2 banger cookups in one video. This is new, this is fresh. Make sure to go check out the kit. The link is in the description. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at @SkanaBeats and on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.